Dear students, today we are going to learn English alphabet. आज हम इंग्लिश के अल्फ़ाबेट और इंग्लिश के लेटर सीखने वाले हैं. Dear students, today we are going to learn the new letter V. This is capital V and this is small v, and also ready to learn the 20 words which is start with letter V. Are you ready? तो उससे पहले हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं बहुत ही अच्छा सॉन्ग. Shall we begin? Let's begin. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. बहुत अच्छा सॉन्ग था ना ये. लेट्स रिपीट. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Very good. Dear students, let's learn the new letter V. This is capital V and this is small v. Let's see the words which begins with letter V and repeat after me. V is for van. V is for van. V is for vase. V is for vase. V is for vulture. V is for vulture. V is for violin. V is for violin. V is for vegetables. V is for vegetables. V is for vest. V is for vest. V is for vacuum cleaner. V is for vacuum cleaner. V is for valley. V is for valley. V is for vote. V is for vote. V is for wet. V is for wet. V is for vacation. V is for vacation. V is for vocabulary. V is for vocabulary. V is for volcano. V is for volcano. V is for volleyball. V is for volleyball. V is for vampire. V is for vampire. V is for vowel. V is for vowel. V is for Venus. V is for Venus. V is for vinegar. V is for vinegar. V is for wine. V is for wine. So dear students, we learned 20 words which start with letter V. So dear students, do you know what is the phonic sound of letter V? V. V. तो V इस लेटर की phonic sound है V. V. या इसकी आवाज है व की. Let's read the words with the phonic sound V. V van. V van. V vase. V vase. V vulture. V vulture. V violin. V violin. V vegetables. V vegetables. V vest. V vest. V vacuum cleaner. V vacuum cleaner. V valley. V valley. V vote. V vote. V wet. V wet. V vacation. V vacation. V vocabulary. vocabulary. Volcano, volcano. Volleyball, volleyball. Vampire, vampire. Vowel, vowel. Venus, Venus. Vinegar, vinegar. Wine, wine. So dear students, let's see how to write letter V. First we will draw one slanting line and other slanting line like this. This is capital V and this is small v. It is very easy to write capital V and small v. हमें क्या करना है, एक क्रॉस लाइन बनाना है और दूसरी भी क्रॉस लाइन बनाना है, उसको ज्वाइन करना है. This is capital V and this is small v. How to write V properly? Look at this picture. We will start from this blue dot and we will draw like this. This is capital V. This is capital V. Trace the dots like this and practice it. Small v, small v. Very easy. V, V, V. This is capital V. This is capital V and this is small v. Start writing small v from second line. Understood? कैपिटल V आपको जो 3 लाइन्स है उसमें लिखना है और स्मॉल v 2 लाइन्स में लिखना है आपको मिडल की. Understood? तो dear students, I hope you learn the letter V and we learn 20 words. We'll start with letter V and to write capital V and small v properly. So please like the video and subscribe our channel and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.